Hello editors! In this video, I'm providing high quality car clips for your edits. Welcome back. Today, I'm sharing cinematic car clips for editors. If you're an editor, these car clips are for you. All car clips shown here are provided for editing purposes. You can use these car clips in your YouTube videos and reels. Each clip is shot in high quality for smooth editing. Use these clips and credit the channel. Subscribe for more free car footage. Comment if you want clips of a specific car.